Good afternoon guys, thank you for tuning in. Yes, as you can see we have a giant luggage here, and this luggage has a foldable FPV drone in it. Let's open it. Look how big is this luggage. See, it is that big. So let's open up our luggage, and here we have our FPV drone, and the luggage itself is also our remote controller. So let's fold it up. Sorry. Charging port, on off button. We have a 720p FPV camera here. This is the Wi-Fi antenna for our FPV camera, and the drone itself has a 250 mAh 1S LiPo battery, which powers up the drone approximately 6 or 7 minutes, depends on the user manual. So also this part is the phone holder that you are going to use your phone as a screen, FPV screen, and you can also insert bigger phones. So let's stick in it. By the way, this phone is an iPhone SE. You can just calculate the size on yourself. What we have? We have two speed levels. This is the speed level button. When you press this button, you can take a photo, and this button starts the camera recording. Elevator, left and right stick, forward and backward trimming button, one key takeoff button, headless mode, 360 flip button. It means when you press this and choose a direction, the drone makes a 360 degrees flip. Also, this is the return to home button, but to be honest, the return to home function never works on these drones which doesn't have GPS feature on it. So forward, backward, right, left trimming, right trimming, and one key landing button. The remote controller works with two AAA batteries. So that is all about our drone. By the way, just one more thing, the maximum FPV range, actually the control range also, is 30 meters on this drone. Let's see how it flies and how it performs. But before I start flying, I just want to mention that this is the best mini drone I have ever flown with its altitude hold feature. It really works perfect. Anyway, you'll see that now. Let's start.